Hello everyone, we're here at Dave Gill Chevrolet, corner of East Broad and Hamilton, Columbus, Ohio. I was wanting to show you the new 2014 Chevy Silverado regular cab work truck. This specific one has the 4.3 liter V6 Ecotec. 24 miles to the gallon on the highway. Go ahead and show you a quick look on the inside. With this being the work truck package, you do have the non-carpeted floor. Steering wheel cruise controls, cluster. If you'd like to take a look at this one or all the other new model Silverados we have in stock, you can come on down Dave Gill Chevrolet, corner of East Broad and Hamilton, or you can visit us on our website at davegill.com. Thank you.